my whole situation. Come with me to a new destination. Cannot keep no promises. I cannot keep no promises. Tell my woman I love my roots and I'll always stay true. Tell my woman I love my roots and I'll always stay true. I'm 20,000 miles away from home. Not all that glitter is gold. Oh baby please, baby please, oh baby please, oh baby please, oh baby please.
Oh, take that scripture in heart that we can do all things. I can do, the apostle said, I can do all things with Christ who strengthens me.
No, this isn't rehearsed, but please trust in yourself. You are super amazing. You have no idea. I'm so grateful to have met you and call you my best friend.
Most of all, celebrating Naffy's graduation. Naffy too is like a daughter to us. We live on Glarus and Naffy, and we've witnessed as a family so many nights that we go to sleep and wake up and Naffy's studying.
Ai mua le bi ingal fam nu makane tanga ile tua ona lona lo fam lona ngalei. Waina inum talo e fapia na on fai winal tom fire tasa fa. Pe analese no al fatasio le tua. E faftai fai lo nei tangata. Asi il faftai le tua.
If it wasn't for the love and support from my family, to my parents, Glarus and his family, my friends and from school, from church, my GMC family, just from all around, I thank you guys so much for you guys' love and support. Because seriously, this degree, this is the most expensive paper I've ever owned.
I'd just like to thank God for everybody that came here far and near for this joyous occasion. A little pre-story. We was shopping earlier, and then I gave her a. she kind of like got mad at me. She was being nosy and snooping around the trunk of the car. This is not only for you, you know. It's not only for just a celebration of you, but a celebration of us. And you know, Naff, it's been a while, and I know I gave you that jewelry this morning, but that was a cop-out for the real one I'm about to give you.
Yes.
Say, well, give me my fucking ring. Stop with
love is 50-50, me I split that. Tell me if you want that, tell me I go get that. This love is 50-50, me I split that.
Baby, you are all I need. You are to me. Baby, you are all I need. You are to me.
Half of this is yours and the other half is mine. You can have the clock, I just wanna buy your time. If I'm seeing things different, it's because my love is blind. Put a pistol to my head, cause you know you blow my mind. The earth is your playground, and I'm just trying to slide. Maybe we could swing when you ready to touch the sky. Cause this love is 50, but not like Curtis Jackson. It's more like Richie Valentine for Donna before the crash. Any questions asked, get your honesty I'm asking. If you're running game, then I suggest you start passing. Cause I ain't never been the one to play the game. This is down the middle, cause I drive it down the lane. When it's 50-50, I expect just that. But even if it's tied, I'm on your way, I'm not mad. Cause this the definition of what's really of a man. Cause reality's a beach and I'm just glad we in the same. If you want that, tell me I go get that. This love is 50-50, me I split